Hello friends, welcome to VTV Learning. I am Vivek Tamlarasan. Today we are going to see the introduction part of Power Query. Let's begin. Okay, what is Power Query? Yeah, Power Query is nothing but Microsoft data connectivity and data preparation technology. This is available in Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Power BI. Okay, now the question is what is data connectivity and data preparation? Yep, both are different, but let's see. Data connectivity. Okay, data connectivity is nothing but you're linking data from any sources. Sources means, let's see, yes. So here are the sources. We have various sources here, like the one is file, which can be Excel format, text, or PDF, or it may be available in the share path. And the next one is database, which is SQL, Access, Oracle, etc. And the third one is Azure, and you can link the Snaps or HD Insight, etc. And the fourth one is Power Platform, that is available in Microsoft Power Apps or Power Automate, that kind of things. And you also have other options like online sources, nothing but you're linking file from online, and other services means in case if you have any files from other services, you can directly click on other services and you can use it. We will see an example of these sources in our upcoming videos. Let's move on to further. Yes, so all above sources will be connected to a data preparation. Okay, data preparation. What is data preparation? Yes. So the source data we have seen earlier, that is the raw data that can be transformed, and we will be getting the output, which means the source data that can be Excel, text, or PDF, etc. And the transform data, which means it's structuring our raw data to get the desired output. So our desired output would be in a form of maybe a table or a pivot table or chart. Here comes the process of Power Query. So which means data connectivity. We are connecting the data and transforming the data, and we are getting the desired output. Yeah. Let's see some advantages of using Power Query. The first one is connect data from various sources, which means you have already seen we were able to connect the data from various sources. Next one is combine files. So we can combine any format of files, which can be Excel, text, PDF, etc. So this Power Query will help you to combine all files. Next one, reduce file size. So by using this Power Query, we can reduce the file size. We have various options to reduce the file, which means we can keep the source data in a separate folder, and we can use the output, which is pivot or table, in a different file. So it file size will be drastically reduced. The next one, track each steps. So whatever steps that we perform in order to get our desired output, or the structured way which we're going to do in our data, that can be tracked separately towards right, that we can see data. So but this is also one of the advantages we use in Power Query. Then the final is automate repetitive task. So which means the repetitive task which you are doing in a daily basis, that can be automated. So these are the major advantages of using Power Query, but still we have many things in Power Query. We'll see in our upcoming videos. I hope you all have learned about what is Power Query. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.